iPhone 17 Pro Max huge camera upgrades revealed. One of the most exciting aspects of a new iPhone release is always the improvements in camera technology. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks and details surrounding the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max's camera system. But before we get into the specifics, there have been some other intriguing leaks, including the first physical 3D models of the iPhone 17 series surfacing online. These models give us an early look at the design changes Apple may introduce. iPhone 17 Pro Max design tweaks. Recent reports indicate that the iPhone 17 Pro models will feature a revamped camera layout. Notably, insider sources suggest a shift towards a more squared-off design, with some leakers showing conflicting versions of what this might look like. Despite the variations, the consensus is that Apple is refining the overall aesthetics of the Pro lineup. Telephoto lens gets a major boost. One of the most significant upgrades expected is in the telephoto camera. As of now, the iPhone 16 Pro series includes a 48-megapixel wide sensor and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. However, the telephoto lens has lagged behind. That's about to change. Sources indicate that Apple plans to upgrade the telephoto sensor to 48 megapixels, bringing sharper details and improved zoom capabilities. With this upgrade, Apple may enhance the optical zoom capabilities beyond 5x, possibly offering a new 10x zoom mode while keeping the clarity we expect from their camera systems. Additionally, digital zoom could be extended up to 50x, closing the gap with competitors like Samsung, which has long pushed the boundaries of mobile zoom technology. Selfie camera improvements. Front-facing camera is also set to receive a major enhancement. Since the iPhone 14 Pro, Apple has used a 12-megapixel sensor for selfies, but this has remained unchanged through the iPhone 15 and 16 generations. Now, rumors suggest that iPhone 17 Pro models will introduce a 24-megapixel front camera with a 6-element lens, leading to sharper selfies, better low-light performance, and improved facial detail. Release date and pricing predictions. Looking at Apple's launch patterns, we can expect the iPhone 17 series to be unveiled in mid-September, with availability approximately 10 to 14 days later. While pricing is likely to remain stable, external factors such as tariffs and economic shifts may lead to regional price variations. Final thoughts. These camera upgrades, especially the enhanced telephoto lens and upgraded selfie camera, make the iPhone 17 Pro models an exciting prospect. With sharper images, better zoom capabilities, and refined design changes, Apple looks set to continue pushing the boundaries of mobile photography. What are your thoughts on these upgrades? Are they enough to make you consider upgrading? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest Apple news, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.